Hi guys, this is Mark Shaw's the Pattern Trader, and in yesterday's weekly video report, I spoke extensively about the budding opportunities in the British pound correlated trading pairs, specifically pound versus Swiss franc, pound versus Australian dollar, pound versus New Zealand dollar. In fact, in an email to traders on our daily elite program about a week ago, I referred to the long side of pound versus New Zealand dollar as a widows and orphans trade. Now, I don't mean anything derogatory toward widows and orphans. It's an old Wall Street saying that if you have a really safe bet, then you could put your mother in, your widows and orphans in. And I viewed the long side of pound versus New Zealand dollar in the same context. So about a week ago, I advised those on our elite daily program to get long pound versus New Zealand dollar at 192.35. And in today's market, pound versus Australian dollar, pound versus New Zealand dollar are soaring. Pound versus New Zealand dollar is over 196 now, and I think there is going to be a lot of room on the upside. Now, two trades that I've been talking about over the last week or so are the euro versus the Swiss franc and the British pound versus the Swiss franc. And I called these off-the-grid trades because euro versus Swiss and pound versus Swiss have been in profound, prolific downtrends for a long time. But I saw signs of a great risk-reward trade by taking these trades on the upside. Right now, these trades have gone through my buy stop, and the pound versus Swiss franc has smoked to the upside. It's up about 150 pips since my buy stop was triggered. I also talked about gold. Gold broke out of a symmetrical triangle. Gold broke $100 last week. I predicted it on the nose. I see that gold has some support at current levels around the 1860 level. Could translate to another move close to 1900. But I do believe that any big up moves in gold are to be shorted. So if you would like to understand my trading methodology, if you'd like to understand how I capitalize on monster moves in the market, I would highly suggest that you start by downloading my weekly video report. So this is a no-brainer offer because you get to nominate exactly the price you pay for the weekly video report. You decide whatever you think the value is, click the link below and make sure that you sign up for the weekly video report. Again, you can pay anything you want for this great information. So with that said, I wish you a healthy and prosperous trading week, and I will see you next time.